Alright, welcome back everyone for another video of this never-ending build of my 240SX, the RB25 in it. Don't remember, I showed it in the last video or whatever, but we're slowly chipping away at this, there's things that need to be done. I think one update is the fuel pump is installed, but I have to install a switch and mess with the wiring, so that's why that sticker's still on. I should actually just change that or just cross something out on there. Trying to chip away at this slowly. There's a lot of things left. A lot of it isn't like really hard to do. Right now I'm probably just gonna do the brake lines, and then if I feel like laying on the floor, I'll do the clutch slave. Gotta get under the car for that, but it's off the jack stands right now because I wanted to clean the garage, so I might not do that yet, but let's get the brake lines. Oh, one quick little thing, the engine harness is mostly in the car, like mostly connected. I have some like random stuff, like it's for the boost solenoid. There's an extra thing down here somewhere for the another TPMS. Just all a bunch of stuff that isn't being used at the moment. One funny thing I noticed, wiring specialties, they say if you modify your harness, your warranty is shot. But it also says in the directions to cut off the unused plug, so a little weird, but whatever. Yeah, the wiring harness, I think I just have to hook up the wiper plug, and then actually the fuse box that's like on the side of the car, not really installed in the car yet. I have to hook up a couple things for the speed sensor and stuff like that, but those plugs are in the car already, so we're good there. So the brake lines are done. I got this like copper stuff that's pretty easy to bend. So driver's side, rear is that guy, passenger side's that guy. Around, down, and in. The little thing I had to my little flare toolkit. The thing broke like on the second one, so. I think I made it work. We'll only know when I go to put brake fluid in and bleed the brakes to see if they leak, but fingers crossed for me on that one. I'm not doing the clutch because I don't feel like laying on the floor. That might be like a tomorrow job. I peeled off brakes. I had to bleed brakes and bleed clutch when I get to that. I'm gonna try to throw the radiator in and possibly get hoses to go to the heater core. I have them around in here somewhere. Just gotta find them. So, oh, and I gotta cap something off under there. So I'm telling you now so I don't forget. I'm gonna do that now actually. All right, on second thought, I have no idea where those hoses are for the heater core, so I'm gonna try to throw the radiator in. One issue I know I'm gonna have is I'm gonna need those little things that hold the top of the section in, so I might have to try to make some. Shouldn't be too bad though. It's right up there. Let me throw that in. Then, I don't know if I have it on there, but I'm gonna have to extend my fan wires too to the inside to the switch panel when I get to that. I know I keep mentioning like the list. That's not like the actual list. Like, I mean, it's the list, but it's not like those are the only things. There's more things that have to get done, but as I remember them, I add them. So, yeah. I want to try to get, we just spoke about it, obviously, because you just saw it 2 seconds ago, but the radiator I want to get in, and then I'm going to also try to get the intercooler in so I can figure out the piping situation, because I might need to order new piping. I have a ton of piping, but I might need some more different shapes, and I need to figure out the blow-off valve situation, because I probably need a flange to get welded onto the intercooler piping. So I want to try to get some of this stuff done. Yeah. Looks like a little bit of an issue. There to there. You can see it's almost touching fan. I mean, I could take this thing off, but I don't think I'm gonna have anything to bend there. Might have to order a new radiator and fans. This sucks. obviously forget that, but it's starting to look like a car again. Slowly, very slowly. More thinking about it, I might be able to just take this bracket off that holds on this the water coolant stuff, and I might be able to stuff that kind of like under, put it under here somewhere, and then maybe I could just come down with it. Either or, I don't have the hoses for it right now, so I'm not gonna mess with that yet. All right, so we got some good news here. Between all this piping I have, that one really doesn't matter. It's like another guy under there, but I might be able to make this whole intercooler setup work with the front-facing intake. I have this piece like this. This was off the CX Racing kit that I have. I have a couple like weird shaped pieces that might actually work. Put it like that, go straight down. Then you have right there, and then I just really need like a nice 90 or whatever to connect to that intercooler on that side, and then I just got to figure out something after I get the turbo and everything mounted on the driver's side, the exhaust side, to connect to the other side. So pretty excited about that. So that's it for today. I want to thank you for joining me on this should have been quick video. We'll know while we're editing. That's it. Brake lines are done. Hopefully, got to bleed those eventually. Got to figure out where I want to put my catch can. Got to do the oil cooler. So that's kind of some of the reason I wanted to throw the intercooler on, because I got to worry about doing an oil cooler. I have a have it up here. There's some of that. The Greddy oil cooler thingamajig. I hope you're enjoying the build. I know there's a few people that are actually looking forward to my videos, even though it gets like 5 views, but we're getting there. We are getting there. Join me on the next one. If you know anyone building an RB or 240, I mean, we're trying to do stuff here, make some good power, hopefully. Send them my way. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.